Hi, I'm Gautam.
Hi, I'm Vikas. We run Boson Whitewater. We are on a mission to save water and create a third source of water.
Hi, we set up Boson Whitewater system in apartments where there are 250 plus units and they have excess STP treated water available after using their water in the flushing and garden. Our system comes in two sizes, one with a capacity to produce 4 tankers of water every day, each tanker of capacity 12,000 liters, and another system comes with a capacity to produce 10 tankers volume of water, each of capacity 12,000 liters.
We arrange large funds to set up Boson Whitewater system at the apartment to manage their excess STP water. We recover the investment by selling the water to an industry near the apartment. It is a long-term game for us and all the risk of transportation, logistics, all is on us. However, we and our investors are driven by the impact which we create, and therefore we look to work with the apartment association who are also driven by impact and not on commercial benefits.
When an apartment decides not to waste their excess STP water and want to become being compliant, we will set up a Boson Whitewater system and manage their excess STP treated water for them. In order to set up the Boson Whitewater system, they need to have their STP functioning properly and it should meet the pollution control board disposable norms.
We look forward to working with the association who genuinely know that they have excess STP water which is currently being sent to the drain, and we look forward to working with apartments which are more than 250 units.
Once the apartment decides to set up the Boson Whitewater system, we will first schedule our team to do the feasibility study, understand the STP functionality and the volume of water available, as well as the tanker which has to come and pick the water.
The space required to set up Boson Whitewater system is approximately around 20 feet by 14 feet. It can be around 2.5 car park area in any basement or any other visitor parking area which is allocated in the apartment. To set up Boson Whitewater system at the apartment association has to give us the plumbing line input from their STP treated water tank to our system location, and the treated water from our system to be taken to the tanker. These two inlet and outlet plumbing line will come under the scope of the apartment complex. Our 50 KL system requires a 15 kilowatt power and our 100 KL system requires a 22 kilowatt power, and this power to be allocated by the apartment association. However, we would pay rupees 8 per unit for the power to the apartment, but the power allocation needs to be done by the association.
This has been done. We will send a draft agreement to the association. The association has to revert back with the signed copy of the agreement. Then we will allocate a fund for the project. Typically it takes 45 to 90 days to set up and commission the plant based on the various ground factors on the ground. We see the viability of selling water from the apartment to the buyers as well as the local logistic issues.
Can apartment buy Boson Whitewater? Yes, they can buy. We can supply Boson Whitewater on per litre basis back to the apartment. However, the plumbing line to take the treated water to their required location to be planned by association.
Boson Whitewater system is designed to treat the STP treated water meeting the PCB disposal norms. The water which is being produced by the Boson Whitewater system meets the IS 10500 2012 standards, and this water can be used in any applications where they require low TDS water which is less than 100 ppm and hardness less than 30 ppm. The water which we supply to our customers goes along with the water quality slip wherein they can see the water quality parameters. Apart from that, they also have access to our online dashboards wherein they can get to know the real-time water quality in the dashboards. Apart from that, we also supply water quality test report tested by any enabled certified laboratory every month to our buyers.
What benefits does the apartment get? This is a common question we get asked most often. If an apartment decides to legally dispose the excess STP treated water from the apartment, end up paying money to the tanker guys to dispose this water to a nearby government park or any other location. We help them save this cost of disposal by implementing our system. Imagine taking a benchmark of Kaveri water. Kaveri water costs 2 paisa per litre. We pay the apartment back half paisa per litre, so they benefit commercially as well in doing this good activity. We manage the investment and we also give a revenue. To give an example, at 12,000 litres water which we sell outside, the apartment makes 60 rupees back for every 12 KL tanker.
Once we set up the Boson Whitewater system, multiple buyers will be visiting the premises and collecting samples to test the water. Once we froze upon the buyers, we will be start selling this water to the buyers. When we start selling 3 tankers volume of water every day, then we will start sharing the revenue with the apartment association. Once the apartment decides to set up the Boson Whitewater system, we set up an agreement with the association for a contract period of 5 years. After the expiry of 5-year contract period, we will generally renew the contract period.
We currently work with apartments in Bangalore which are 250 units and above. We are genuinely in this mission to save large quantity of water. We have an installed capacity currently of 10 lakh litres of water per day, and so far we have saved around 945 million litres of water. We are looking to work together with the apartment association who seriously want to create a long-lasting wastewater infrastructure for the city. At Boson, we create
third source of water.